All right, a lot of charts to throw at you that I have on watch for Tuesday, with one caveat. Tuesday is FOMC announcement in the afternoon, and so usually you get chaos. I'm looking for trades in the morning, and then the hour or two before FOMC, you get nothing. The market just sits around and waits, and then you get chaos. So I'm probably done after the first couple hours tomorrow, so I'm going to really have to be vigilant and keep an eye on these charts. But having said all that, and yes, I do have enough monitor space to have all these in front of me. Here we go. CETV. You'll notice a theme here. Most of my charts will have some kind of recent big move and then some kind of consolidation, and now you can see CETV starting to move back up to the upside. All right, I had a nice trade in that today, and we'll be watching for some follow through tomorrow. ABIO. Now, it's hard to see, but I'll go to like 15-minute candles so you can see it. Look at that volume the other day. We were trading, and I saw that. And now it gapped up the next day, but it's starting to kind of put in a rounded bottom. I like this day-long flag here. So I like ABIO at 218-ish if it gets there tomorrow, with a stop probably below this base. 221 would be a nice catalyst because you got stopped here at 220 and 220 again, so over 220. So that's why I like 218. It's a break of the flag. 221 is a break of the last 2 days high. Maybe it comes up. If it does that, maybe it comes up, challenges, and takes out this recent high. I really like that volume spike. Anytime you get something like this, keep that one on a chart. So there's nothing that pretty here, but when you kind of use the X-ray technique and go inside the last week, you can see a little excitement, and it really looks good the way I've spelled it out for you. NWBO. Another one, nice big 2-day, big volume move, pulled back to the 8-day moving average. Little spike yesterday, but it came back down, and today an inside day, and this one looks pretty good over today's high, which would be 822. Then you've got catalyst just to the left for some more potential upside. Okay, remember this is a big move from 6 to over 10 to almost 11. That's a big move. So this one, I like to play what you call the secondary moves after consolidation. If it sets up right, you can get a nice secondary move. YOD, for the same reason, this one goes on bounce watch. Had a big move there from $5 to over 7. Gave some of it back today. I will be watching that one. What I'd like to see is a narrow range, on 5-minute candles. Something like, this. Well, I'm gonna get a drawing tool going. Again, we don't get to decide what we're gonna see, but I'd like to see an opening narrow range, for the first hour or so, and then a break above it. Like if it opened like this, I would buy it over 660. But that's it. I could sit here and spell out 20 different scenarios that could happen tomorrow. So the only way I'll take that is on an intraday basis, and I can't possibly tell you what it's going to do tomorrow. So, but it will be on a chart. CBMX. I really like this over the 2-day high, so over 360. This one looks pretty good. Nice volume here, big move back here. Over 360, this one could get a nice move. It's starting to get some nice attention lately. BLDP, and you could put any one of these on. BLDP plug, getting close to the 20-day. A really nice bounce off the 20-day back here. Remember this thing was, what was the high back here? 838 about a week ago. So it's, almost cut in half. And getting near the 20-day, it's time to start watching for a bounce. You could say the same with plug, but I've chosen to watch BLDP. Generally, they're going to run together. Fuel cell is another one I have on watch. Kind of put in a doji candle today. LJPC, after that gap up, sitting here at the 8-day. It's overdue for a bounce, so that one's on watch. MBI, nice volume spike today. Closed about in the middle of its day's range, but that one will be on long watch tomorrow with a proper setup. AGO moves with MBI and ended up closing above its recent high. So keep MBI on watch. ANN, I'm actually kind of interested in as a short. You got 3 topping tails here. So some sellers up around 38, closed near its lows today. I'm watching for this thing to maybe roll over. If nothing else, make a move back to the 8-day moving average. So ANN I actually have on short watch. Some lower priced ones, well, some of those were too, but some other stocks that really interest me. ZBB tends to run with the fuel cell and Ballard Power and plug and so on. But nice narrow green candle today. I like it over today's high, 238 tomorrow. So watch for that. That's really all that. Oh, one more I really like is this seed. Big volume push here, big volume push back here, but then another one, and now you've got like a week-long consolidation and a green candle today. I like it over today's high 283, which was also the high a few days ago. So up around 284. Watch this one, you might get a nice move higher. And I think that's it for now. We'll add stuff as the day unfolds as well. But like I said, tomorrow is actually just going to be probably a 2.5 hour trading day for me because of FOMC. So be aware of that in the afternoon. I'm not a fan of trading it at all. Some people love to trade it. To me, it's just too unpredictable and can be too whippy. It's not always, but I always say, you know what, the following morning there'll be much better opportunities than trying to trade the afternoon chaos on FOMC day. And as for that, trying to trade the mid-afternoon boredom before FOMC. So tomorrow morning is when the trades should be taken, in my opinion. All right, we'll talk to you later.